Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from PayPal to debit card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course go and log into their profile on the of course App Store and the Google Play Store. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help. And we have also the send and request options with a lot of different options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw money from PayPal to debit card. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is of course log into your PayPal account as I already told you. Then out of all of these options, click on the third option, which is the wallet option. Here you will immediately have the option to link a credit card or bank, which you of course need to do. So link a card, keep your card information secure when shopping, link a bank account, withdraw funds received to your bank account. So either of those you need to go and click on. Then click on the withdraw money button, which will then appear. Choose your option, transfer your bank or transfer to your debit card, and then follow the instructions to complete the transfer. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.